Picture this. You're standing in the pre-dawn darkness of northern Australia when suddenly a massive tube of cloud rolls toward you like a horizontal tornado. It stretches from horizon to horizon, moving at speeds up to 40 miles per hour. This is the morning glory cloud, one of Earth's most spectacular and mysterious atmospheric phenomena. This extraordinary wonder appears over the Gulf of Carpentaria in Queensland, Australia, specifically near the remote town of Burketown. The cloud formations can reach lengths of 600 miles and heights of 1 mile. They're so consistent in shape that they look almost artificial, like a giant rolling pin sweeping across the sky. What makes these clouds truly remarkable is how rare they are. While similar roll clouds occur elsewhere on Earth, nowhere produces them as reliably or spectacularly as this region. Between September and November each year, conditions align perfectly to create these atmospheric marvels. Some mornings bring a single cloud, while others produce a train of up to 10 rolling tubes, one behind the other. The science behind morning glory clouds involves a complex dance of sea breezes, temperature inversions, and geography. Cool air from the Gulf collides with warm inland air over Cape York Peninsula. This collision creates a wave in the atmosphere, much like waves on the ocean. When conditions are just right, moisture condenses along the wave's crest, forming the visible cloud tube. For the Garawa people, the traditional owners of this land, these clouds have been part of their sky for thousands of years. They've woven the phenomenon into their understanding of seasonal changes and weather patterns. Today, their ancestral knowledge combines with modern meteorology to help predict these formations. Glider pilots travel from around the world to surf these clouds. They can ride the updraft at the cloud's leading edge for hundreds of miles, experiencing what they describe as nature's ultimate roller coaster. The rush of air preceding the cloud creates a distinctive whooshing sound, and temperatures can drop noticeably as it passes overhead. Despite decades of study, meteorologists still can't predict with complete accuracy when morning glory clouds will form. This unpredictability adds to their mystique. Scientists continue monitoring the phenomenon, hoping to unlock remaining secrets about atmospheric wave dynamics. Climate change may be affecting their frequency, making long-term observation increasingly important. If you're fortunate enough to witness a morning glory cloud, you'll see the sunrise painted in shades of pink and orange. The cloud's smooth, tubular surface reflects light like polished metal. Below, the landscape remains in shadow, while this celestial phenomenon glows above. These clouds remind us that Earth's atmosphere is alive with motion and mystery. They're proof that even in our satellite-monitored world, nature still holds surprises. The morning glory clouds stand as testament to the complex beauty of our planet's weather systems, inviting us to look up and marvel at the extraordinary forces shaping our skies.